Welcome back to Call for Help. The problem, you've got a computer with thousands of songs, MP3s, downloaded music, all sorts of songs on the computer. The problem is the stereo is way the heck over there in your living room. How do you get your music from your computer to your living room? Well, thanks to intern Mike, our little intern, who's like 6'8", we've collected a bunch of really cool ways to get audio from your computer to your stereo without wires. I love that. Roger Chang is going to show us.
Yeah, you know, oftentimes people have these huge, tremendous collections on their laptop or their PC, you know, because they rip CDs or they use iTunes.
That's where all my music is.
And, you know, it's great to listen at your computer when you work, but sometimes you want to kick back in the living room and want to listen on your, you know, $1,200 stereo system.
Our former COO, Joe Gillespie, was bugging me for like 3 years saying, how can I do it? How can I do it? How can I do it? Now there's a way.
And, you know, it's actually quite simple and it's very easy to do. Now, we have 3 options right here. And the first one we're going to look at is the RCA right here.
This is a Lyra.
It is. And you know why?
Why?
It's because, believe it or not, this is actually a sound card. You know how...
You're kidding.
Yeah, it actually decodes the stream back into an analog waveform.
So I don't need a sound card, I just need a USB connection to the computer?
It actually uses a base point on your PC connected through USB.
Okay.
So it's, you know, receiver to receiver.
Is it Wi-Fi?
It's now, it uses its own wireless technology.
Oh, I see. But it does have the antenna, I can see.
Has its own antenna, and the cool thing is that since it's a USB audio device, you can send anything that normally Windows would play back a sound through here.
You know, there's nothing like the Windows startup sound on a big 5.1 surround sound
you know,
speaker.
if they take a PC5, you can actually see the menu that is attached with this device.
So you have an interface to your computer, but you're in your living room.
I'm in my living room, but I can use this remote. So using this device, I can control PC5.
Okay.
I can snag it through here, and it interfaces with the software through the wireless devices on both ends, so I can have music on the other end.
So you're playing. So this is. Oh, okay. I gotta understand this. So the music's on the computer over there. The software's running on the computer over there. The computer's hooked up to this wireless device here.
Yeah, it has a twin that connects to your...
And there's another wireless device...
Which is right here.
Which is hooked up to the stereo.
Yep.
This remote control is also wireless. It's not a infrared. It's a RF.
It's a infrared into this device.
Oh, it's into this?
Yes.
Which then controls the computer.
Yeah, wirelessly through the other device. So I can remote control through the song list.
I feel like Mo.
Mo Sislak?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Mo of the Three Stooges. I mean, whoa, wow.
Wow, you know, I don't think a lot of people might remember.
Technology.
But, you know, it's a great way. And it's relatively cheap. It's only going to set you back $70.
For the whole thing? For both units?
For both units. It comes as a package. It comes with software. It comes with everything.
Wow.
And if you want, you can actually play CDs as well because it is an audio device, a sound card, external. You can play back any of those sound features that you normally
Anything that you would get out of the computer.
Including the beeps, boops, and games if you want.
Or DVD audio.
DVD audio if you want to watch DVDs. All right, the other 2 solutions are Wi-Fi solutions right here. Right here I have the Creative Sound Blaster wireless music.
Okay.
And this is kind of based on their kind of push with MP3 players and wireless audio, and it's kind of cool in that unlike the other one where you can kind of just guess at what you have, this actually comes with a display on the remote.
You kind of need that. Yeah.
So you can choose what you want without, you know, and it's in front of your face, so you don't have to look across the room.
Do you need 2 units or what? No, you need a Wi-Fi computer.
You need a Wi-Fi computer or a wireless router.
Okay.
So
Wi-Fi you need a base station.
You need a base
connected
station.
To the computer, and then this is in the stereo.
And again, this comes with software, and you would play again your song.
How much is that?
This was going to set you back about $200.
Oh, it's a little more expensive.
However, it does come with FireWire as well as
USB. What's the
USB,
point of
optical audio.
Toslink. Yeah.
Toslink.
What's the point of that?
Oh, I'm sorry, not FireWire, USB, and this is to hook up any of their devices.
Oh, so you could add other unknown devices.
It's kind of like the creative way of.
Now, Slim P3's been around for a while. I love this guy.
Slim devices, and this is kind of cool. This is actually kind of like the toolkit because it supports pretty much every audio format. File format exists. Supports OGG.
Also Wi-Fi.
Also Wi-Fi. Supports OGG Vorbis. Also supports Toslink as well as the standard digital coax out. Cool. So if you want, you know, higher quality sound out your machine. Now the only drawback is that the display is on the device itself, as you can see right here.
Yeah, but you put that on top of your receiver, and then you can kind of see.
If you're like me, wear glasses, you might not be able to see.
All of these would have software running on the PC that they interact with, obviously.
That is true. Okay. So you would load up their.
How much is the Slim?
This is about $280.
280.
The cool thing, works with Mac and Linux as well. You can download that software off the website.
Which one do you like of the three?
This actually is kind of cool because it supports every. If I'm on a budget, this is actually a pretty cool way to go.
RCA if you're on a budget. If you've got a Mac or you want more capabilities,
Yeah.
slim devices. Mike, you concur?
I concur.
He concurs.